Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know Trust Wallet Swift or how does it work. Now Trust Wallet Swift is a smart contract wallet that aims to enhance the functionality and security of the user's wallet by leveraging smart contract. Here's a detailed explanations of how Trust Wallet Swift works. The first thing is that smart contract wallet uses programmable smart contract on a blockchain to manage the asset. Now this adds on extra layer of protections or security and the flexibility compared to the traditional wallet, which simply stores private keys. Now the key features of Trust Wallet Swift are enhanced security. By using a smart contract, Trust Wallet Swift can implement additional security measures such as multi-signature approval, spending limit, and recovery mechanism as well. It can automate certain functions such as periodic payment transfer based on the predefined conditions and more. And Trust Wallet Swift can interact with various decentralized apps like D-apps, seamless, enhancing the overall user experiences in the DeFi ecosystem. And likewise, user can also devise basic rules for transactions such as require multiple approval for large transfers or setting specific conditions for withdrawal. If you want to know how does it work, then you just have to create a wallet and then set up a security features, transfer the asset, interact with the D apps, and recover mechanism. By following these simple steps, you should be able to use or get familiarized with the Trust Wallet's Swift application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.